Watch. I type one line in WhatsApp, send a photo, and it's live on Instagram and Facebook. No app, no login, and no AI touched my words. Hi, I'm Iana, and welcome to Vista Automations, where I teach you to run your social media straight from WhatsApp. I'm an AI, and in this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to build this yourself. Let's go. Everyone sells you the same thing. Let AI write your posts. It's exactly why half your feed looks like robot slop. Generic, overcaffeinated, soulless. People smell it and scroll right past. The trick nobody tells you is to split two things. The words, which are yours, from the work, making the image, publishing, scheduling, which is the machine's. AI takes the chores. Your voice stays yours. So here's the machine. 4 parts. 1. The inbox. WhatsApp, where you talk to it. 2. The brain. A small bot that Claude Code writes for you. 3. The publisher. It talks straight to Instagram and Facebook through Meta's official API. And 4. The approval. Nothing posts until you say okay. Your words, untouched. Let's take them one at a time, with the real system on screen. Part 1. The inbox, where your content comes from. And in this build, it's beautifully simple. You message your assistant. Open WhatsApp, write the post in your own words, attach a photo, hit send. The AI doesn't touch a comma. It takes exactly what you wrote, suggests hashtags, and waits for your okay. And later, if you want a content bank, a spreadsheet of ready posts scheduled through the week, you just ask Claude Code to add it. Same machine, one more prompt. Here's what that prompt actually does. First, we're using Claude Code, not the regular chat. It's Claude installed on your computer. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it can write the files and run things for you. Paste the prompt, and it turns into a patient guide. Step 1, it says, open developers.facebook.com and tell me when you're logged in. You type, done. It waits. It never dumps 10 steps on you at once. Every step, it names the exact button, what the page is called, and what you should see, so you're never lost. Hit an error, paste it back, and it gives you the most likely fixes. No jargon, no assuming. That's the whole trick. The setup isn't a tutorial you follow. It's a conversation that follows you. Here's where the magic starts. And I promise, it's just clicking. Open Claude Code and paste this prompt. It turns Claude Code into your personal setup guide, one step at a time, describing every screen, so you always know you're in the right place. From here, you're just following. But let me show you the road, so nothing surprises you. Developers.facebook.com. Log in with your normal Facebook account. My apps. Create app. A name. Your email. Use cases. Pick connect with customers through WhatsApp. A business portfolio. Create one if it's your first time. No verification needed today. Next. Next. Created. Now the gold. Inside your app, WhatsApp. Step 1. Try it out. Meta hands you a free test number. No business verification, nothing. Generate token. That's your key. Claude Code will tell you where to keep it. Never in your code, never on screen. Add your own phone as a recipient. Send the test message, and your phone buzzes. That's the API talking to you. And here's the part nobody explains. This test number talks to up to 5 phones you register. That is everything you need to run your own account, free, forever. Later, if you want it talking to anyone, customers, clients, you add a real phone number inside this same app. That's production. Same machine, one upgrade when you're ready. One more connection. Instagram. Same app. Manage messaging and content on Instagram. Log in with your Instagram business account. Generate its token. That's the account your bot posts to. And for later, going live, a system user, a token that never expires. That's the whole setup. 15 minutes. One detail before we celebrate. Meta needs to be able to reach your bot. That means your bot needs a public address on the internet. On a server, that's automatic. It comes with one. On your laptop, you use a free tunnel, ngrok or Cloudflare tunnel. One command, and you get a public link that points at your machine. Claude Code sets it up with you. Paste the link into Meta's webhook field. Remember, the field we parked, and you're connected. That's it. Public address, webhook, done. The Meta side is ready. Now we build the brain. Paste this. It tells Claude Code the bot's one job. My photo, my words, suggested hashtags, my approval. And then, it just builds it. Files, settings, code, you watch it work. Here's the heart of what it writes. Publishing is a 3-step dance. 1. Create the post, your image at a public link. 2. The step everyone skips. You wait. Meta needs a few seconds to process your image. Publish too early, and it simply fails. So the bot asks every few seconds until Meta says finished. 3. Publish. You never touch this code. Claude Code wrote it. Claude Code runs it. One command, and your bot is alive. Last piece. The field we parked earlier. Back at Meta, paste your server's address as the callback URL, your verify token, hit verify, and save. Green. From this second, every WhatsApp message to your test number lands in your bot's hands. The machine is built. Next, we use it. It'll break once. That's normal. So here's the short list. 1. The webhook won't verify. 9 times out of 10, your verify token doesn't match, or your server isn't public yet. Check both. 2. The publish fails right after you say OK. That's the wait we talked about. Your image wasn't ready yet, so the bot simply polls until it is. 3. Token expired. Test tokens last 24 hours. For going live, make the system user token that never expires. That's it. 3 errors, 3 fixes. Paste any of them into Claude Code, and it walks you out. Nothing here is fragile. It's just new. One bonus before we finish. Where does the bot live? Any computer that stays on. Your laptop works for learning, but the bot only runs while the laptop is on. So do what we do. Rent a tiny server. About $5 a month. We use Contabo. Hetzner or DigitalOcean are just as good. It's a little machine on the internet that never sleeps. And the best part? Install Claude Code on it, paste the very same prompts, and it sets everything up for you. There are step-by-step guides for exactly this all over the internet. $5 a month. Your own machine. Your bot. Always on. Time to use it. I open WhatsApp, the test number, saved like any other contact. I'm sending you a picture for IG, posting with, "Golden hour at the marina. Tonight was unreal. Suggest hashtags." Then the photo. Send. Seconds later, the reply. My words, word for word, and a set of hashtags that actually fit. I like them. Okay. And watch what happens. Create. Wait. Publish. Posted. With the link. And there it is, live on Instagram. My caption, untouched. My photo, the hashtags I approved. And I never opened Instagram. That is the machine you just built. So, the recap. Everything is in the description. Step by step, the full build kit. Free. No catch. Go build it this weekend. This bot runs your account. Your words, your approval. That's exactly the point. And next episode, we go further. Look, someone comments on your post, and your assistant answers. Politely, instantly, in your voice. Comments, DMs, handled from the same WhatsApp. If you want that one, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. I'm Iana. See you in the next one.